For this recipe, you are going to need red, yellow, green, and orange pepper, 1 onion, ground cooked beef, venison, or turkey, whatever you prefer. You are also going to need chili beans, kidney, chili beans red. I got 2 kidney, 1 mild and 1 spicy, diced jalapenos, and mixed chili beans, kidney and pinto and mild sauce. And you are also going to need chili seasoning. You're going to set your crock pot to high. Okay, so now you're just going to transfer your ground beef, turkey, venison, whatever you're using into your crock pot so you can go ahead and start adding in everything else. So now that the venison is all in the crock pot, now you're just going to head and add all your beans. Then you're going to add your diced jalapeno. Chili seasoning. Okay. And you're going to mix all of that together. Then you're going to add in your vegetables in. Slowly stir in everything. It is stuffed. This is a hearty chili recipe, so it is going to have a lot of beans, a lot of fixings in it. So I mean, you are going to have a hearty chili. And this is a Bush's baked beans recipe. Hold on, baby. So keep that in mind. All right, and then you just put the top on and you just let it sit in the crock pot until you are ready to eat it, and it should be nice and good to go. And yeah, so I will check back in with you once it is done and when we're ready to eat. All right, so it's been about roughly 3.5, 4 hours. And this is what it's looking like. It is looking good. It's reduced a lot. It was up to the rim and now it's reduced down a little bit. The peppers and the onions and the beans are all getting tender, and it should be good to go in maybe another 3 hours. So I will check back in 3 hours.
So the chili has been in the crock pot for about 6 hours now. I put it in the crock pot about 11:30, and I just stirred it so that way all of the vegetables get disputed evenly, because it has cooked down a lot. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you a bowl when I put it together when we're ready to eat. So here's what it looks like so far. Pretty good.